Hey guys, what's up? My name is Reese. I'm the service manager here at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about why I ride and how I got into motorcycles. All started out actually probably I'd say I was 6 years old. My dad brought home a Suzuki 90 four-wheeler. Started ripping that thing around, having fun with that most of my life. Got to the age about 14. Finally got really interested into motocross, stuff like that. Started racing dirt bikes, did that for a while, worked on getting my pro license. Started looking at Harleys, getting into the Harley world. Started looking at basically just trying to do something different, more road related. Started out probably in middle school. My uncle and my stepdad are both Polk County Sheriff's Motors unit. So I'd always watch them out of my classroom window at the ball field across the street in the parking lot doing all their training and their parade routes. So that really got me interested in motorcycles. Started off with that. Then about 14 or 15, I went up to the mountains, up to Deals Gap with my family. And my uncle asked me if I wanted to go for a ride with him. So I ended up jumping on the back of his, at the time was a 07 Electra Glide. Got on the back of there with him, rode it around through Deals Gap, through the mountains, and absolutely loved it. Really got the bug and got hooked then. Got my first motorcycle at 19, which would have been a 05 RC51. What I ended up doing is getting rid of that pretty early on, getting into the motorcycle world more towards the cruiser side, which would have been Harley. My first Harley would have been a 05 1200C Sportster. Had that bike for about 6 months, needed something bigger. Went up and got a 2015 Street Bob. Liked that bike a lot. Then one of my big influences was a good friend of mine. Let me ride his Lowrider S for the first time and I was hooked. Which now, that's where I have my 2017 Dyna Lowrider S, which I love that bike and I wouldn't trade it for the world, more or less. Biggest thing about being with motorcycles is just how free you can be. You can get out there, do your own thing, carve your own trail, do whatever you want. Go wherever, it's just you and the open road. So it's the biggest, coolest thing about being on a motorcycle. All right guys, well that's it for today. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out here to me. Like I said, my name is Reese. I'm the service manager here at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. So any questions or anything, come on down, bring your bike down, we'll get you serviced up. For all you know, maybe we can even do a bunch of customizations and make your bike look like the one behind me.